Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Blow me up.
What is up, guys? It is Fiax here, and today we're at IKEA, and we're gonna be looking around, and then we're gonna do a food review. And yeah, so let's get right into it. And my dad has something to say.
Hey dudes, YouTube community. Today we're gonna get a taste of Europe. IKEA, Sweden. I've been there, guys. It's an amazing, beautiful country. IKEA represents the culture of Europe. Let's go.
Let's get right into it. This might be the table we're gonna cop. Jock Mock. Swedish probably, black and brown. Solid pine, like what am I gonna pine the table now? But yeah, for the next one. Alright guys, so this is my apartment. As you can see, a beautiful view. It's a bit blurry because the windows are dirty. If you come over here, I'm about to cook some mozzarella cheese, and yeah, beautiful. Water's drawing, have to pay for rent. Might be kicked out soon. Alright guys, so we're in line to get the food, and yeah. Here's some.
You guys scan the QR code yet?
Scan what?
Here's some European food. Looks pretty decent. Lord Gassy Goddess.
What is that?
I have no idea. But yeah, we're gonna go eat some food. Swedish food, I think. Let's get right into it. Alright, so we're getting close to the food. Here's some chocolate.
Swedish flag. Oh, Christ. You want to get it? Oh, where's the freaking...
That looks very, very gross. Actually, no, this looks kind of... Actually, no, I know what that is. That's pretty good.
Drinks, guys? You want to get drinks?
So, guys, we're going to get some cider apple.
Open.
Looks pretty good, guys. We're about to dig in.
I eat pears now and shit like that.
Alright guys, so I got a Swedish meatballs classic with potato, one plump sadly, but with some jam. Okay, the look on the mac, and I got mac and cheese. The looks, for this one I'd probably have to give a 6 out of 10. For the looks, it looks kind of free.
You're literally free, boxed you, dog water, 0 earns, 0 PR.
And I don't know if that's gravy or not. Mac and cheese, 6 out of 10 on the looks, but yeah, let me try it out. Okay guys, I'll start off with the mac and cheese. Looks old. The first few bites, a bit salty, and for some reason it feels a bit dry. Other than that, the cheese is pretty good. And I'll give you my final review after I finish the plate.
A few moments later.
So guys, just finished the mac and cheese, and it didn't feel really like fresh, but other than that, it was pretty good. It did have a dry taste with the cheese. It felt kind of like cold, you know. But if I were to give my honest opinion, 7 out of 10. And now let's move on to the main dish, Swedish meatballs, classic, with the one clump of goddamn potato. Before we get into this, I'm gonna try out this apple cider drink, Swedish apple cider. That's definitely a 9 out of 10, 100%. Tastes like heaven. Alright guys, first bites of the potato with the meatball. Honestly, that was really good. 9 out of 10, but let's try it with the jam. Actually don't know what this is. Jam, I guess. Cut it. Now we got the vegetables. I'm not really a fan of this. Vegetables are not my thing, so it's definitely a 0 out of 10. But I'll give you guys my full review after I finish the plate, if I even finish the plate. But yeah, see you guys.
A few moments later.
So guys, I'm on my last meatball. I'm not eating the veggies because I don't fuck with veggies, but I'm full. And my honest opinion, 8.5 out of 10. If I had replaced something with this, it would have been higher, but you know, these are old and gross. No offense to IKEA. What are they gonna shadow ban me for saying that?
So what's your overall opinion on the full meal?
My overall opinion on IKEA food, it's just not a place I'd go to eat out ever. Because it's just, it doesn't, just does not feel.
How are you gonna go to Europe? He wants to go to Europe.
If I'm going to Europe, then you know, I guess have to eat whatever's there. But just I wouldn't come to IKEA like with a girl. Like let's go to eat at IKEA. I'd rather go to like Famoso or something like that. But yeah, overall, a rating of 6.5 out of 10. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. This has been Fiax. Comment down below what other places you want me to review. And yeah, we might have a little drive vlog back, and the video will end. Peace out, guys.
In my room, I be my cup, nutted in my sock, nutted in my sock, just nutted in my sock, keeping that door lock, bitch, you better knock. When I be my cup, my room, I be my cup, nutted in my sock, keeping that door lock.